Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 57 here. Here we have a NASCAR Authentic from the 2023 Wave 8. It is Ryan Blaney's Duracell Next Gen car. On the back, you can get cars like Kyle Busch's Cheddar's car, Kevin Harvick's Sunny D car, Ty Dillon's Ferris 77 car, and also be on the lookout. And there's a Brad Keselowski King's Hawaiian car, and there's the chase piece for that car. So I'm going to get Ryan Blaney out of the box, and I'll be back to show you the car. Okay, so now I've taken Ryan Blaney's car out of the box. Here is Ryan Blaney's car, and also the sticker. And of course, like I said, this car was from the Wave 8, so this was a Wave before they got rid of the stickers. So you see here, you got the name, Ryan Blaney, his number 12, and you got Menards, which is what he was sponsored. And one thing though, this color is way off, than the yellow is way off actually. So here we have Ryan Blaney's car. So of course Ryan Blaney still has the same paint scheme, obviously the black 12, Menards, the same classic yellow. But one thing that is different is that the hood is black and the side skirts and the sides are also black. And along with that is the hood of the car, which is Duracell, and you got a Duracell battery. Most of the sponsorships that Ryan Blaney has with Menards is usually the same, yellow covered body, but the hood and the side skirts will always be different. Meaning like if he was sponsored by Peak, like right here. So you see you got all these different sponsors like Richmond or, right here, Richmond or Jack Links. And Peak, like, they'll be in different colors. So, like, if it was Jack Links, it'll be red. Peak, it'll be blue. So that's how it worked. On the side of the car, you got Advanced Auto Parts, Dex, Imagining, Worth, Wabash, She. Other than that, this is actually a pretty nice car, actually. And that will conclude today's episode. Well, guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more episodes will come out soon. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.